Hi, I put together this video to show how to put this Sturmey Archer 3-speed coaster brake hub back together. When you disassemble it, lay all the pieces out in the order you took them off and take a picture. This will be very important later.
Alright, this is pretty straightforward actually. So this piece you just slide on, and then there's a little C-clip that you clip on there. You stick the planetary gears in with these little pegs. The only thing here is the slotted side needs to be down, the round side up. Then you just slide this on after you put that in, and you insert your indicator pin and crank it down to make sure that it goes like that. Now you have these four pieces. Start with this. Take this guy and you just put it on there like that. Then this, see these little teeth? They go right in there so that it sticks. And then this, put on. Push the poles in. And you know you've done it right if you can turn it clockwise, but not counter. Alright, now you take these pieces. You've done this. You've made these. I took out the indicator pin because it gets in the way. Slide that on there. It needs to seat with those planetary gears. Alright, the spring and the little cap. Stick that on. And this guy, which you have packed with grease, just goes right on there. There you go. Now you take the race or cone or whatever and you tighten that down. Finger tight all the way down. And then about a quarter turn off. That's the drive side right there. That indicator pin will go back in there when I'm done. This last piece, you take these two guys. This fits on there, like that. Okay, now this that you've assembled, you have to line these guys up so that they're all facing kind of with the flat sides out, because then this goes on like that and screws in basically. That fits on there and it sits nicely because those flat pieces are out, and then this slides in. You gotta turn it. There you go. See that? There we go. I carefully hand screwed that in, and it's pretty easy. You just slides right in and you just turn it, finger tightened, and that's what you got. And now I take this, which I've greased up, and it drops in. Okay. You see those little wings? They are on the upside, and they're going to be opposite of that because this guy here, see that slot? That goes over that, and those slots go over these. Oops. But first, put the bearing on. just basically slots right in there. The very last is this dust cover. Yep, and this guy. Now remember that faces out. There you go. Now let's see, you've got some bolts and stuff. You got to remember their order. They go back on this side. That's basically it. Okay, now you don't need to have watched me screw these back on, but I consulted with my previous pictures, and that's the order of things. It goes on after the brake arm. And now that's it. The non-drive side is done. I just need to do that. And I did the same thing on this side. I consulted with my previous pictures, and it was pretty straightforward. The order of things, you know, the dust cap, the thing, the two washers, that ring, and we're good to go.